how to turn history on or off in Google Chat and Spaces on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether your conversations are saved or set to auto-delete. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, open the conversation or space where you want to adjust history. From there, tap on the conversation or space name at the top. After that, look for the history toggle within the details panel. In the next step, toggle it on if you want messages saved permanently, or toggle it off if you want messages to auto-delete after a set period. From there, a confirmation prompt may appear explaining what the change means for that conversation. Once done, tap on Confirm or Turn On or Off, depending on which option you selected. Following this, keep in mind that changing this setting only affects messages going forward. It does not retroactively apply to previously sent messages. Keep in mind, if you are using a managed work or school Google Workspace account, your administrator may control whether history can be toggled at all, so this setting could be restricted depending on your organization's policies. Finally, go back to your conversation and confirm the history setting is now applied correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn history on or off in Google Chat and Spaces, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.